Hey folks, it's Tina here at DeBoer's Auto, and we're in the dog days of summer, the lazy days of August, and we got ourselves into a nice comfortable summer lull, and then we forget that school's right around the corner, and then it becomes chaos, and then it becomes crazy again. So it's too late, before your schedule is so blown out that you don't know exactly what's going on the next day, please call us here at DeBoer's Auto. For back to school, we want to make sure that you're safe. We want to make sure that you're getting to the most important appointments you have without any inconveniences. So we want to make sure we take a look at your vehicle, make sure we tell you if there's anything you need to look out for, and get ahead of problems before they become a severe inconvenience for you. So what we can do for you is we can do a quick check with your oil changes, or do a 15-minute no-wrench inspection. Come on down, make sure you have all of those major components looked at, and we can let you know within 15 minutes usually if you're going to have a major system issue that needs to be addressed. We want to make sure that you go back to school and you hit the ground running for a beautiful and fresh start for you, for your kids, and for you to get back to work. So if you have any needs or any services, come on down to DeBoer's Auto at 83 Route 23 in Hamburg, New Jersey. Give us a call or book online, and we are here to help you go back to school uninterrupted.